How to order from Walmart. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To order from Walmart, it is pretty simple. Firstly, you can tap open either your Walmart application or launch a preferred browser. Search for Walmart or directly search for walmart.com and tap on it. To order from your Walmart, it is generally like any other website where you shop generally. Now, firstly, what you have to do is make sure you are logged in into your Walmart account. In here, you will find various of purchases that you can make your own. Now, for the sake of this video, I have selected this Bluetooth speaker to purchase. Here, you'll find various of options. Tap on the options button. Depending upon the purchased item, you can select the color, size in the case of clothes, and quantity of it. In the case of technical stuff, you can also get a warranty from Walmart. Select the quantity, then tap on the checkout button. Then select the delivery option for you. By this way, you will be able to easily purchase an item. You can also select as a gift for someone by ticking on the option "This is a gift." Final step is to sign in into your account if you have not signed in yet, or is the payment method where you can add a debit card or credit card or any of the payment method that is available for your reason. And this is the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.